It's time to make some hot chili oil today. I have some sesame oil, some vegetable oil, and some Thai crushed chilies. Now you can probably use any chilies, but I like this version better. I'm going to take that vegetable oil and I'm going to put it right into a cold saucepan. The stove is not on. I'm going to take a half a bag of the crushed chilies, pour it right in there. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to give it a little stir so the bottom doesn't stick too much. And then at this point, I'm going to turn on the stove. It's going to start to fry up just a little bit. It still needs to fry up a lot more, so give it a little stir so it doesn't stick to the bottom and burn. Looking good, all those little fry bubbles. It's starting to smell delicious in here. Once it starts to rapidly fry, you're going to start smelling a nutty type flavor in the air. Now, as it's starting to turn just a little dark, pull it off the stove. Pull it off immediately, get it off. It's going to continue to cook. Smells good in here. I'm going to take that oil, I'm going to stick it into a glass container. Make sure when you're putting that hot oil in that container, it's not going to melt because this is really super hot. I'm going to take my sesame oil and I'm going to put probably a teaspoon and a half in there. This is going to give it a little bit of flavor. Now, sesame oil is really strong, so don't dump a whole bunch of it in there. Give it a little stir. Make sure that you incorporate all those ingredients. Again, it is super duper hot. Time to put the chili oil in a metal container. Recommend a metal container because it won't melt. The oil is still really hot at this point. I don't use all of the chilies. I only like it to be more of an oil base rather than a thick chili flakes. I like the taste of the oil. That's my preference. So enjoy, and I hope you like this. Have a great day.